guys, just one small box this week, so let's take a look at what is in here. We have Scarlet by Starlight. I believe that is a graphic novel, yeah. Another graphic novel, the latest in the Avatar. We have Ice Chips Easy Reader. We have the movie Promising Young Women, which is making quite a lot of noise right now. We all go back into the land. We have Pardon Me, Nous Seigneur, a French book. Some picture books. Eyes That Kiss in the Corners. We have Made by Hand. Some movies, Chop Shop, audiobook, Josephine Baker's Last Dance, CD, Bigger Love, John Legend, another CD, Foo Fighters, Medicine at Midnight. And we have The Lucky Ones, more Pentatonic, Little Helpers Toddler Baking Cookbook, that's adorable. The Life and Times of Fuzzy Wuzzy. Is Fuzzy Wuzzy a bear? And Culinary Herbs. So that's it this week. Let us know if you like anything and we can put it on reserve for you. Bye.